How's everybody doing? My name is Kane Thompson. I am the Senior Support Sales Engineer for Sony Electronics, and today we're going to be talking about the zero-touch provisioning process. So to start, we would build a profile utilizing our device provisioning tool. We'd make our customizations for what display features we'd like our displays to have. Then we would use our proprietary scanning app to scan the boxes of the displays that are going to be installed. Once the box QR codes are scanned, it's going to pull the MAC address and device-specific information to the cloud profile that you just created. From there, the devices go on site. The displays go on site. They're mounted by your team. Your team add a LAN cable, or they make sure the Wi-Fi settings are up and operational. Turn the display on. The display pings the cloud server. A QR code pops up on the display itself. Your team utilizes the scanner app to scan that QR code. Your display starts to provision, and the profile that you've already built is now run across all the displays that have been scanned and connected to the cloud profile. And for more information on this, you can visit us at pro.sony, and thank you for joining us at InfoComm 2026.